All right, we're going to go over a couple questions that come from section 4.3 from the practice of statistics. Okay, guys, let's start with number 99. Do abandoned children placed in foster homes do better than similar children placed in an institution? The Bucharest Early Intervention Program found that the answer is a clear yes. The subjects were 136 young children abandoned at birth and living in orphanages in Bucharest, Romania. Half of the children chosen at random were placed in foster homes. The other half remained in the orphanages. So a key thing I'm going to underline is chosen at random. Foster care was not easily available in Romania at the time, so it was paid for by the study. What conclusion can we draw? We're looking for what we can draw. So I'm noticing right away that they chose at random half of them to do foster homes and half of them to stay in the orphanages. And so because what that is, that's random assignment. So there actually was random assignment. And so that means that we can conclude cause and effect. So to answer this question in a complete sentence, I would say because this study involved random assignment, random assignment to the treatments. We can infer, so let's talk about the cause and effect. What are we saying? We're saying that children placed in foster homes do better than children placed in an institution. So we can infer that the difference between foster care or institutional care actually cause the difference in response. Okay, so we're saying that we don't believe it was random chance because there was a significant difference, and because they were randomly assigned treatments, then we can say that the foster care caused the difference in response. Question 103. Canada and the European Union require that cars be equipped with daytime running lights, headlights that automatically come on at a low level when the car is started. Many manufacturers are now equipping cars sold in the United States with running lights. Will running lights reduce accidents by making cars more visible? An experiment conducted in a driving simulator suggests that the answer may be yes. What concerns would you have about generalizing the results of such an experiment? All right, so this one is kind of your opinion because it's like, what concerns would you have? So I'm going to bring up some that I was thinking about. My first thing that I thought about was the fact that this was a simulator. Oops, let me use the pen. Because this was a simulator, maybe it wasn't very realistic. It's kind of hard for us to know. They didn't do any trials like outside of the simulator. So that is definitely one of my concerns. Is a simulator realistic or not? Because that would definitely affect results. The other thing is, if all cars get these lights, get the running lights, I think they might lose their effectiveness because we will get more and more used to seeing them. If we see them at first, it'll be like, whoa, that's a surprise. I see that car. But like if every single car has it, then we probably won't notice it as much if I had to bet. So it'll probably lose its effectiveness over time.